So, really what I'm getting is a lot of clicking from me starting this thing and turning over the key, right? So, I'm looking at it and, let me see something real quick. Well, obviously it's not the lights aren't coming on because I just took this fuse out. Now, the fuse, if you guys are wondering, here's the fuse box right here. It's taped in and it's a clip right here on the back. So be careful with this clip because it can easily break. But this clip right here holds this in place, right? So if you're getting clicking and your zero turn doesn't turn over, it's either the battery itself, which I don't think it's the battery because my lights come on, I'm getting some motion, it's just clicking, or it's your fuse. And I'm looking at this fuse and it looks pretty good. It doesn't look burnt or wore out or anything of that nature. And it could be your solenoid. Your solenoid is located right here. It has a bolt here, a bolt at the bottom right here. And you got a few little hookups as far as your wiring that you're gonna have to disconnect right here and right here. And you should be able to just take this thing right off. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna change the solenoid because I already kind of checked the voltage on this battery. It looks pretty, it's pretty decent. It's responding. My lights in the front are coming on. Right now it's not on right now because I took the fuse out. But once I put the fuse back in, the lights work and everything. So I don't think it's the battery. I really think it's this solenoid part right here. And it's an easy replacement. I'm going to Tractor Supply either today or tomorrow out here in Olive Branch. And I'm gonna replace this solenoid and put me a new solenoid on. But like I said, you wanna be careful with this thing right here because this is what holds it in place. You wanna be kind of fragile when it comes to this clip because the clip is what holds this fuse in place. So I'm gonna get back with you guys and we'll do another video on the finished product once I get a new solenoid, and we'll see if we can get this thing crunk up. Peace out. So I'm gonna do a real quick video real quick. I got the fuse back in. As you can see, I popped it back in. This thing holds it in. This clip right here holds it in place. So you know you won't lose it, or while you're working it won't pop out or come out of place or anything like that. As you can see, my lights are on in the front. Lights are working. So this kind of giving me a good signal that my battery is pretty good.